This is not a kid show. Do you know why? Because sometimes I want to say fuck, or shit, or fuck this shit. And that's exactly how this job went today. And I'll tell you why. Have you ever put a 60-inch tub in a 59 1/4 inch opening? Well, that's coming up. But first, I'm going to clean up some of these kitchen pipes because we're also here for a kitchen rough-in. We got our new kitchen going here, center's there. I'm going to stub out there. And I never put the drains in the center of a kitchen sink because everyone's got pull-down spray faucets and it's going to get caught up when they go and the weight's going to smash it and everything. So, fuck it, I put it off to the side. Gonna put a little gunner here, gonna dry fit this, but I just can't figure out how to get it in because I'm a fucking dummy. So I'm gonna beat the shit out of the guy's new frame so I don't have to waste a coupling. But I'm a nice guy, so I'm gonna put it back for him. Look at that, with my hammer from 1988 that I probably found in a dumpster. And we got 2-inch coming up from the basement, couldn't bring up 1.5 inch. It was already existing 2-inch, I figured just keep it. I got a 2-inch dandy clean out installed here so I can put my 3 new PVC fittings under a water test so the inspector can approve that they're not leaking. Now we got to fit some 2-inch PVC in the smallest bay ever, and you can see me trying it with a long sweep Street 45. I didn't have any 22s, so I had to go get some unfortunately, but I needed some other stuff, so I guess it wasn't a wasted trip. You can see here I ended up making it work with the Street 22, sent it home, bada bing, bada boom. And I gotta finish up the vent. And I made everything look nice and plumb, nice and straight, just so that when the electrician comes to do his rough, he can say, I gotta put a box here. Please cut it all out and move it. And this is why it's not a kid's show. What the fuck is this shit? 59 1/4 inches. I gotta put a 60-inch tub in this bitch. But first, I gotta make room to work in here. I gotta take out this disgusting blue toilet that the demo crew left for me. They took everything else out, but left this fucking thing for me to deal with. Thank you very much. Here we go, I gotta butcher the bottom plate of the 2x4 just to fit the trap in, and take a look at this frame. Look at those beautiful notches. Nobody told me they were coming back to reframe it. I was scheduled today. I showed up, I'm putting this shit in. I'm not coming back. And I don't even think they cared. Look at that thing, that's a thing of beauty. I had it done. I put it in mortar, it's nice and level. Perfect. Now we're just going to finish up the shower valve, Kohler 8304, standard shower head, tub spout, nothing fancy. And yeah, I burnt the shit out of the board. It's probably the best looking part of this entire frame. I didn't try to not burn it. I might have even done it intentionally. Anyway, here's the finished product. I don't complain this much. I just felt like complaining about this one.
Can't put stuff away. Guess I'll have to just do it tomorrow. You know, I guess I just have no choice.